Dear students, in today's session we are going to see the preparation, properties and uses of the electron deficient molecule boron trifluoride. Boron trifluoride is a planar molecule where boron is bonded with 3 fluorine atoms like this. Since it has got only 3 electrons in its valence shell, it shares its electron with 3 fluorine atoms and only sextet of electron is available around the boron. So, instead of octet, it has got only sextet. It needs 2 more electrons and it is said to be an example for electron deficient molecule and it is a typical Lewis acid. According to Lewis, acid is a substance which can accept pair of electron for the formation of coordination bond. Therefore, boron trifluoride is a Lewis base, electron deficient, planar, all those things we can say for boron trifluoride. How can it be prepared? Preparation. It can be prepared by the reaction of boron trioxide with calcium fluoride and sulfuric acid. When boron trioxide is heated with calcium fluoride and sulfuric acid, what are things which are happening? Boron combines with fluorine to become boron trifluoride. Calcium combines with sulfate to become calcium sulfate. Hydrogen combines with oxygen to become water. We have 2 boron, therefore 2 boron trifluoride, 2BF3. Then calcium sulfate and then water. Very easy to balance the equation. Already we have started to balance 2BF3. Since 3 oxygen, 3H2 I can write. 3H2, therefore 3H2. 3 sulfate, therefore 3. 3 calcium, therefore 3. Everything get balanced. So 2BF3, therefore we have to make 3. 3 calcium, therefore 3 calcium sulfate. Since 3 sulfate, 3H2, SO4. Since 3H2, 3H2, therefore balanced. Then it may also be prepared by the reaction of boron trioxide with carbon and fluorine. Typically, the example for its element silicon, where boron and silicon have a diagonal relationship. Silica with carbon and chlorine, silicon tetrachloride. Same thing. Carbon combines with oxygen to become carbon monoxide. Boron combines with fluorine to become boron trifluoride. Boron trifluoride plus carbon monoxide. 3 oxygen, therefore 3 CO. 2 boron, therefore 2 BF3. 6 fluorine, therefore 3F2. So, boron trioxide, when allowed to react with carbon and fluorine, forms boron trifluoride. It can also be prepared from benzene diazonium fluoroborate. It is a diazonium salt, C6H5N2BF4. This particular group can be mentioned as phenyl group, PH. In both way I can write. I can write as either CH5 or simply PH. Benzene, it is a CH5N2BF4. Benzene diazonium fluoroborate. When it is heated, it decomposes to form phenyl with fluorine, 1 fluorine, C6H5F, BF3 plus N2. It decomposes to form C6H5F or PHF, fluorobenzene, N2 and BF3. So, likewise, boron trifluoride can be prepared. Then regarding its properties, as I mentioned earlier, it is a Lewis acid. It combines with bases like ammonia and water, where it accepts lone pair of electron from ammonia and water. BF3, ammonia. Ammonia is having lone pair of electron. That electron pair is donated to boron. Likewise, water. Oxygen has lone pair of electron. It donates to boron. Thereby, coordination bond is formed between water and ammonia. BF3 being Lewis acid, it combined with Lewis bases to form salts. Then boron trifluoride undergoes hydrolysis. What happens when it undergoes hydrolysis? BF3. Usually such addition compounds are formed with water. It can undergo hydrolysis. What sort of hydrolysis reaction? BF3 with water. It forms boric acid and hydrofluoric acid, H3BO3 and HF. Boron becomes boric acid, F3 becomes HF. 3 fluorine, therefore 3 HF. We have 3 OH, 3 hydrogen. Boric acid means BOH thrice. We have 3 hydroxide groups here and 3 hydrogen, therefore 3H2. Boron trifluoride reacts with water to form boric acid and hydrofluoric acid. The boric acid formed can react with hydrofluoric acid to form hydrofluoboric acid and water. Hydrofluoboric acid, HBF4. Fluoborate, that's what present here, fluoborate, BF4, HBF4, fluoboric acid. That BF4 minus ion is fluoborate ion. I can write it as H plus and BF4 minus ion. Hydrogen ion and fluoborate ion. It is considered as hydrofluoboric acid. Along with that, water. How to balance the equation? 1 boron becomes HBF4. 4 fluorine here, therefore 4HF. Alright. Out of 4 hydrogen atoms, 1 is in the form of hydrofluoboric acid. Remaining 3 hydrogen atoms and 3 OH. It is after all BOH thrice. Boric acid is BOH thrice. So 3 OH and 3 hydrogen. One more hydrogen is here. Become 3 water. So boron trifluoride reacts with water to become boric acid and hydrofluoric acid. That boric acid and hydrofluoric acid react among themselves to give hydrofluoboric acid and water. Now, what will be the sum? If I sum the equations, what will happen? Here, 3 and 4, all the hydrofluoric acid are getting involved in the reaction. Therefore, I should find LCM for 3 and 4, which is 12. So, this equation has to be multiplied by 4. And this equation has to be multiplied by 3, that's all. And if I sum up, HF will get cancelled. Therefore, 4, let me write at the bottom, 4BF3 plus 12H2O gives 4H3BO3 plus 12HF. Here if I multiply by 3, 3H3BO3 plus 12HF gives 3H plus 3BF4 minus plus 9H2. If I sum up now, HF and HF get cancelled. 12H2O here 9. 9H2O will get cancelled. 3H3BO3 will get cancelled. So the equation may be 4BF4 BF3 boron trifluoride plus here only 3 remains, 3H2O remains. Am I correct? 3H2O gives out of 4 and 3 only 1 remains that side. Therefore, 1 H3BO3 plus 3 HBF4 or 3 H plus 3 BF4 minus. So that is the consolidated reaction. When boron trifluoride is allowed to react with water, it forms boric acid and hydrofluoboric acid. So that is about chemical properties of boron trifluoride. As we have discussed earlier, here it is Lewis acid. Electron deficient molecules are Lewis acids, and it accepts electron pair to become salt like this. It is Lewis, these are Lewis bases, it is Lewis acid. Now, it is used in the preparation of hydrofluoroboric acid. Hydrofluoroboric acid can be prepared from BF3. It is a catalyst. Usually Lewis acids are catalyst. It is a catalyst. It is a best fluorinating agent. So it is used as a fluorinating agent. So these are all the preparation, properties and uses of boron trifluoride.